Greetings from sunny Thailand. Today is July 1st, 2024. It's 10 a.m. and we're bringing you another video update on the construction of our 11th project, Siam Oriental Dream. As you can see behind me, the construction has reached the 8th floor. Columns, external walls, and internal partitions have been installed. And at the moment, the facade on the first floor is being finished. Currently, construction is ahead of schedule. Our team of engineers, builders, and workers are working daily to ensure high quality construction and adherence to all necessary standards and requirements. Thank you for your trust in our projects. We are putting all our efforts into meeting your expectations and making your dream of living in a modern, comfortable condo on Prathamnak Hill a reality. We will continue to update you on the progress of our construction projects in the future.